Well, breaking news coming in now. According to highly placed sources in the Bharatiya Janata Party, the matter has in fact been discussed with Prime Minister Narendra Modi about government formation in Delhi. This has been a sticky issue in the past couple of days. Now, we understand that a meeting in fact has taken place. Sushma Swaraj, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley were also present at that high-level meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The High Command is yet to take a final call on what the party line in Delhi is really going to be. Chances are that still there is a 50-50 chance on whether the BJP should in fact form the government or whether the BJP should go to poll. So that clearly is in fact where matters stand as of now. That high-level meeting within the Bharatiya Janata Party taking place to mull over a decision on government formation in Delhi. Two options before the government, the party at this point in time. They could perhaps form the government by seeking support from MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, or they could seek a fresh mandate from the people. Now, sources say that the opinion of the top leadership is divided at this point in time. Nitin Gadkari and Rajnath Singh are said to be in favor of forming the government. Jaitley and Sushma, however, are opposed to it. Sources say Modi was in favor of a fresh mandate. The opinion of Amit Shah, of course, party president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, will also be taken now. My colleague Aditi Anantanarayanan is joining me live from the capital. Aditi, clearly sources seem to be suggesting that Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, is in fact in favor of a fresh mandate at this point in time. Will the final decision then, rest with Narendra Modi, or will Amit Shah step in now?
At this point of time, Rishika, the BJP top brass wants an opinion to be taken by all the senior party members and also the state leadership as far as the national capital is concerned. We also got to know that Narendra Modi has said that we should not hurry in to form the government at this point of time. There is a chance that the BJP could get a fresh mandate if fresh elections were held for the national capital. Clearly, the Delhi in charge, Nitin Gadkari and Rajnath Singh had said that we should make the government, but Narendra Modi, Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj opposed to it. They said that the BJP should go for a fresh elections. Now, they are saying that an opinion of Amit Shah, who is the BJP party president, will also be taken, and the same will be conveyed to the state leadership also. So once all that final meeting takes place, which we are expected to happen in the next 1 week, it will be decided whether Delhi will see fresh elections or whether the BJP will go ahead in forming the government. But as far as now the time is concerned, Narendra Modi has made it very clear that the BJP at any given point should not hurry, they should not rush it, and they should wait till the time a final decision is taken for the national capital.
Clearly, the opinion of the top leadership is divided at this point in time. Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh said to be in favor of forming the government. Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj and Narendra Modi, however, opposed to it, and sources, of course, say that Modi is in fact in favor of a fresh mandate, and the opinion of Amit Shah, of course, will also be taken now. Aditi Anantanarayanan, thanks so much for joining us with that live report. The Game of Thrones in Delhi only gets more interesting, and we, of course, will be breaking all those developments to you first here on Headlines Today.